Blastwave Effects introduces SONOPEDIA, the Encyclopedia of high-definition sound effects. With 20,000 royalty-free sounds from alligators to zippers, SONOPEDIA is the comprehensive general sound effects library for high-definition media production. SONOPEDIA categories include ambience, emergency, horror, transportation, warfare, and many more. Every sound in SONOPEDIA was pristinely recorded and mastered at 2496 to ensure a true high-definition experience, then delivered as multi-format broadcast WAV files, including 2496, 2448, 1644-1, and MP3 reference files, all on a 250GB Glyph hard drive. This high-definition library is ready right out of the box, whether you use Mac or PC. Every sound is cataloged with rich embedded metadata and is compatible with Pro Tools, Soundminer, NetMix, iTunes, and other popular sound library search engines. SONOPEDIA comes with search software for Mac and PC. Features include Google-style text search, rapid-fire audition, and simple drag-and-drop into applications like Pro Tools, AVID, Final Cut Pro, and more. All SONOPEDIA folders and files are descriptively named and intuitively categorized for easy browsing. Start building your high-definition sound effects library with SONOPEDIA from Blastwave Effects, the new wave in sound effects.